Okay. Oh, we got one coming for you today. Oh, it's a good one. Probably shouldn't even give it away. But I'm feeling, it's Saturday, you know, I'm feeling, I don't know, what am I feeling? Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about what I'm feeling. We're gonna do it anyways. Okay. All right. Okay, so right around here, what do we got? I seen something. Where was it? What was it? Well, anyways, see these shiny spots? They're called low spots. See these sanded spots? They're the high spots. So those are called lows and highs in your cabinets, okay? And the smoother it is, the more it'll all look like it's sanded. So there's one way to get there. If you want to do a really good job, see this dimple? Oh, right there. See it for a second. Right there. Little dimple. Okay. That's called a fisheye. And it's my new tiny little fisheye. Yeah, I'm just doing this for the fun of it because it's not really, it doesn't matter. But this is a wet rag. This is a sanding block. Always clean your block up. And be real soft, really easy soft. Keep it wet. Okay. Once you're satisfied, happy, put your stuff back in the wet bucket. Don't let it dry. Dry it off. No more dimple. Can't even see the shininess anymore. It's called wet sanding. This is latex. Yeah, buddy. Tip of the day.